Want to get started with data analysis without any complex setup? Check out Elldy. You can explore the entire platform, including data integration and pricing plans. Start with a free 21-day trial and experience all features. Creating an account is quick and easy. Enter your full name, email, and mobile number with country code. Set your password, accept the terms, and submit. Verify the OTP sent to your WhatsApp, and your account is ready. Once you log in, there's no need for installations or setup. Simply use the built-in agent to import your dataset. Within seconds, your data is processed automatically. Your analysis workspace opens instantly. No complex configurations. Elldy also cleans and prepares your data automatically so you can focus on insights instead of data preparation. Now, inside the analysis workspace, you can select variables and apply operations using simple dropdowns. No coding, no DAX, no complex formulas required. You can easily analyze data, understand patterns, track performance, and discover meaningful insights. That's why Elldy is a game changer for data and business analysts, turning raw data into clear business insights in seconds. With Elldy, data analysis becomes simple, efficient, and accessible for everyone, from beginners to professionals.